Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a serious game that I found on Scootle, which is called Food Chains. This interactive game supports the science learning area in the Australian curriculum, and it is targeting mainly ER4 students. The main topic of this game is the ecosystem in the desert and how do plants and animals need get the energy they need to live. So let's find out. In this video game, students are asked to create a food chain to describe the interactions within the desert environment, as we said, by looking at the feeding patterns between plants and different types of animals. The purpose of this game is to identify plants as the direct converters of energy from the sun into another form of energy that can be consumed by living things. However, students are required to have some prior knowledge on what are living things, how they are classified, between plants, herbivorous, omnivorous and carnivorous animals, as well as how the sun moves energy from one living thing to another. So let's have a look. So in this example, we're having 3 more elements to add to our desert food chains. So from the sun, the sun is going to pass the energy to these beautiful desert peas, which I'm going to move over here. From this gala eating the desert pea, the sun energy moves onto it, and when this beautiful eagle comes and eats the gala, the energy moves also onto it. Now, I personally really enjoyed this game. I could notice that there is a key over here that now I'm going to show you after I push next. So here is going to show us one of the possibility of the food chain that we made so far and how the energy moves across these 4 elements. The game, I believe, is very effective in facilitating the students' ability of processing and analyzing informations about the different types of living animals. As I was saying before, I found really interesting that it includes geometric shape as a visual prompt to help students classifying the living things. So as you can see here, they are color-coded and different geometric shapes, which would help a student to understand these key symbols. The general main key learning object, I believe, of this game is for students to learn how to classify living things and understand the concept of who is the producer, the primary consumer and secondary consumer of energy, as well as learning specific language to describe the category of livings. I believe it is a great tool for teacher in science to use on one of the lessons to spark some interest and engage the children learnings. So yeah, thank you for listening and I wish you a good day. Bye.